to get that little smile on video. There it is.
Morning, everybody. Coming at you with a quick tip on how you can clean your keyboards at home. And Goose and I found a way that works fantastic. Now, here's a list of what you're gonna need. And here's your keyboard. Standard USB keyboard. You're gonna need no expensive canned air. No need to remove the keys, no vacuum, no cloth, towels, or alcohol. Make sure it's unplugged and spray it with water. Now go ahead and flip it over and get the back side. You got lots of screw holes and crevices, cracks where dust and debris hang out. Spray those out good, and you're gonna want to drip dry. Drain it out, and you're probably never going to be able to use this keyboard again, but it's clean. Ugh.